Alright, how's it going? Sorry I was gone for a week. I had to go down to Houston for some training. But while I was gone, my mounts came in. So let's open it up and see what they look like so we can go over how the process is going to go of installing them. Oh yeah, look at that. Alright, so this is the main piece that you need to do this swap, because this is a piece that's going to go basically right here, and I've heard that you can actually just screw it in right here, and then there's just a hole right here, but I'm not about to trust my motor mount with 2 screws, so a lot of people actually get it welded, and you don't have to weld the whole thing. You can just weld some tacks right here, on the side, and also here on the top. And then a lot of people, well, you kind of have to, is remove the OEM passenger side mount. So this is the main piece that I need to actually continue the rest of my engine bay, which is strip it down to the paint, repaint it, get this welded in, paint this as well, and I'll be basically on my way to throw in the motor. I just gotta put some goodies on the motor and good to go.